Today, today we're going to be talking about superstorms. The information that I'm using is from Seymour Simon's book of superstorms. So what are storms? Storms are a sudden violent change in weather. We're going to talk about a few specific types of storms. They're going to be thunderstorms, hailstorms, hurricanes, blizzards, and tornadoes. So during a thunderstorm, you'll see bolts of lightning and hear thunder following the lightning. A bolt of lightning can be as hot as 50,000 degrees. Thunder is the sound that the lightning makes when it suddenly heats up the air. A trick that a lot of people use to know how far away the storm is by counting the seconds in between the lightning and the sound of the thunder. So every 5 seconds would equal about a mile away that the lightning just struck. Hail is when chunks of ice fall from the sky. Hail can be really dangerous, so if there's a hailstorm going on, definitely be inside because the chunks of ice can be, vary in size. They can be small or they can be as large as a baseball. Blizzards are when large amounts of snow fall. During a blizzard, it's usually really windy out. The winds can be as fast as 35 miles an hour, and it's also really cold because it's snowing. Temperatures are usually below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Hurricanes actually begin in the middle of the ocean where the temperature is warmer, and they move onto land where they cause most of their destruction. There's very fast winds during a hurricane. They can be up to 200 miles per hour. Hurricanes are the deadliest of the storms. Usually meteorologists can predict hurricanes and they warn areas that a hurricane's heading their direction, and those people need to get out of that area. Tornadoes are funnel-shaped clouds that move down to the ground. They can spin as fast as 300 miles per hour. Because they're so fast, they're able and strong enough to lift up cars, property, and even houses from their foundation. So tornadoes are also extremely dangerous, and warnings are usually emitted when there's a tornado in the area for people to get into their basement, which would be the safest location. So it's important to be prepared for storms. We can't prevent them, it's part of nature, but we can be prepared in case a storm happens. Some preparation tools is to always have flashlights and extra batteries in your house, a first aid kit, extra water and food, extra blankets, and most importantly, a plan. So you and your family should have a plan of what to do when certain storms hit and safe meeting places in case you guys aren't together. So that concludes this presentation. If you have any questions, please let me know.